Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
To obtain a UK caregiver sponsorship, start by securing a job offer from a UK employer willing to sponsor your visa as a caregiver. Then, ensure the employer has a valid sponsor license to hire overseas workers. Following this, the employer will issue a certificate of sponsorship, COS, necessary for your visa application. Prepare and submit your visa application through the UK's official government website, highlighting the COS and meeting all specified requirements, including the English language proficiency test. Remember, visa policies and procedures can change, so always refer to the latest guidelines from the UK government.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.